Right, this is an LS2 helmet, authentic LS2 helmet. This helmet has been used less than 30 hours and is 2 years old. It is literally falling apart. Nothing stays in the helmet the way it should do. The trim on the bottom has fallen off. In fact, was too small and couldn't be glued. This is what the trim looks like when it's been used for such a small period of time. Chinese shit. The inside of the helmet looks like that. We've got this part here. Look, this part here is a part of the helmet that's designed to pump up. Look at the way it's fallen apart. Look at the way it's fallen apart. Look. Look at this. Look at the way the trim has fallen apart on there. Let's have a look at the manufacture date. There it is. 03/2014. 03/2014. I've had it less than 2 years. I bought it when it was 2 years old. And it's clear to me that it's classic Chinese shit. This is the top trim. Look. Look at the way this has fallen off. Look. Look at this. Chinese shit. Nothing less. Right, look. Now what we're going to do with this, first thing we're going to do a hammer test. This is theoretically carbon fibre. I believe it is carbon fibre. Ah, look, there's another part that's fallen out. Look, there it is. Just ripped apart. There we go. This part here falls out as well. Look, I'd like you to look at the trim part here. Look at this. Look at this. Just falling apart. Falling apart. You get what you pay for in helmets. Here's another part. Let's just pull it out. There it is. Look. Look at that. Look. Look. Those screws would do you good if they jammed in the side of your head. Right, okay, so we're now left with the liner. Oh, look. Look at that. Here we are. That's fallen out as well. So let's pull it out. There we go. We dropped the helmet. Okay, now, there's the liner. Quite what this is supposed to do. Look, sellotape. Sellotape, look. Sellotape holding the inside together. There's the Chinese mark, look. There's the Chinese mark. Look at this, look. There we go. What's this? What is this? What is this? Let's have a look at the integrity of a piece of sellotape holding the inside together. Let's have a look. Right, there we go. Sellotape. Sellotape. That is holding the inside together. Right, which leaves us with this. Now, what is this? What is this? Why is this even here? This part here. Why is it even here? I don't know. I don't know. Let's just take a small break and get something to price it out. Just. Okay. We're gonna pull this out with the claw of a hammer. Let's see why this is even here. What is this doing? Ah, it's glued in. It's glued in. Why is it even there? The integrity of the foam for an accident is supposed to be consistent, and they pad it out with a piece of polystyrene. Look at this. What a piece of shit. 2 years old. Right, now let's see the integrity of the visor and the helmet. The first one we're going to hit with a hammer. Here it is. 27mm 2-pound hammer. We're going to hit the visor. Let's see if that actually has any penetration on it. That's the visor. That's the visor of an LS2 with one hammerhead. This is an approved helmet. carbon fibre Chinese helmet. Right, now let's hit the helmet, shall we? Let's see what happens with the helmet. One hammer hit of the carbon fibre helmet. Just one. 2, 3. 3 hits with a hammer. Now, we'll do the baseball bat test. Here we go. Baseball bat test. Right. Let's just do one more, shall we? One more slap with a baseball bat of a carbon fibre LS2 piece of shit Chinese helmet. What a piece of crap. What a piece of junk. LS2, guys. LS2. Good value safety helmet. $10 head with a $10 helmet. That's what you get with this shit. Look at it. What a load of rubbish. What a load of complete and utter crap. Now let's finish it off for good measure, shall we? Just finish it off for good measure. Nothing left. Completely destroyed. Completely destroyed. Nothing left. There you go. 396 LS2 carbon fibre helmet. Let's see what happens when you do the chin. Look at that. Your face is in there. Your head's in there. Your head's in there. That's a safety helmet from LS2. Chinese shit. Chinese complete crap. Sellotape holding the inside. There's the inside. This is 2 years old. 2 years. 2 years. Let's just see what this will take for good measure. 2 years. That's your head.